Hi, today in front of me Motorola ThinkPhone, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration section. Here you'll see ringtone volume. Just to mute the ringtone volume, hold and slide to the left side ring volume panel, and that's it. Also got one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts. Oh, sorry, not the panel. Just press up or down volume buttons. After that, you'll see here these three dots, and then you'll see ring volume panel. And just to mute the ringtone volume by the same way, we should hold this blue dot and slide it to the left side on the ring volume panel and tap to down to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.